This video shows how to buy shares of Incap Oyj. Incap is a Finland-based electronics manufacturing services company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ICP1V.HE, and this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ICP1V.HE to find the listing. Make sure you locate the Incap entry that shows the CBOE EU exchange. Open the asset page to check basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the name and ticker match to ensure you have the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute later, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your open position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.